Hello and welcome to From the Newsroom. Ranbaxy Laboratories, which has been facing a lot of issues with the US drug regulator in the last 3 to 4 years, is facing a fresh issue with their plant in Punjab. Let's talk to CH Unnikrishnan, who has been tracking the company for a while. So CH, what exactly is the new issue?
Uni, as you said, Ranbaxy, which is the country's largest drug maker, though it is majority owned by Japanese company Daiichi Sankyo, has been struggling with lots of issues with the US regulator in the last several years. Since the US market is a key revenue contributor for the company, it is very significant issue what the company has been facing for the last 3 to 4 years because of non-compliance in the manufacturing plants as far as the FDA standards are concerned. The company has faced several issues in the past, including its formulation manufacturing facilities in Himachal Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh, and very recently in Mohali in Punjab. So all these got together, the company's exports to US market has become almost very insignificant in the last few years. The US market actually contribute almost more than a third of the company's total revenue. Till 2010, has become very low contributor as far as the sales of the company is concerned in the last few years. And now the fresh issue is with the active pharmaceutical plant in Tawansa in Punjab. And now the company has confirmed that it has already received a 483 form, which is talking about a non-compliance of manufacturing standards in that plant also. And the company now has to respond to FDA, assessing the observations what the officials have made after the inspection.
So, after this news is out, how the company is reacting to this?
See, the company is now saying that they are assessing the observations what the inspectors have made in the form 483, and after that, they have to respond to FDA that why there was a failure in complying with the standards, and also if they can explain that what if there is any reason for this. But ultimately, the company has to comply with the standards. Unless and until they do it, then the US regulator may not be allowing the company to export APIs also into US market. API, because that is also important for the company, because the company has many formulation plants in the US, and in order to start or continue the production there in those plants, they have to source APIs from Indian plant, which has also come under the US FDA scanner now. So we have to wait and watch that how the company can resolve the fresh issue along with the earlier issues which the company has already in the process of complying with.
It looks like it's a very negative news for the company. The shares of the company has reacted quite negatively. In a day when the Sensex is at 7 weeks high, the shares of the company has dropped more than 5% on Monday's closing. Let's see how this going to impact company's business in the coming months. For more information, log on to livemin.com.